LUX-TSI started in the middle of 2010. We're an independent accredited testing services company focused on energy efficient lighting and consumer electronic products. My career path has been quite unusual. I started working for larger companies, and then gradually, as I've matured, I'm working for smaller and smaller companies, to the point where we founded LUX-TSI as a complete startup. We definitely identified a gap in the market, and this is borne out by the growth in the company over the last couple of years. The Welsh Government have been instrumental in providing us with support in certain areas which are key to our business growth. Areas such as research and development and sales and marketing, and also IT systems. The Welsh Government support has allowed us to take risks and to expand projects that we wouldn't ordinarily be able to support. We undertook quite a large expansion programme last year, which involved the purchase of quite a lot of capital equipment. And with that, we also need to be able to take on the staff to develop those products and services using that equipment. The Welsh Government has enabled us to take on those jobs earlier than we would normally have been able to do. It's great being your own boss. There are challenges, but there are also fantastic opportunities. It's always a good time to start a business if you have the right plan and the right opportunity and the right people to make that plan successful.